In this video, we'll discuss how to clean your bathtub faster without breaking your back. So one of the things you want to start with is a vacuum. Vacuums have this thing in the back, this tube, and you can use it to vacuum up all of the dust, like this stuff over here at the end, that dusty, gross stuff. And that way it's out of your way sooner and you don't waste time dragging it back and forth with your scrub or your rag, whatever you choose to use. So start there. And then the next thing you want to do is rinse the bathtub. Like actually use your water and throw water on your bathtub. And once you've done that, you can either spray the cleaning chemical on your bathtub, or you can use, I like to use Comet with bleach. That way, like everything comes off that shouldn't be there. And then one of the things I do first is I use this mop that I got at the dollar store for $1, and they come with detachable pieces. So like this thing that I attached here was $1, and then you can change it out as they get old and nasty. And so then you can easily just grab it and like just go back and forth and get all the areas that you need to get. And it should make it easier on your back when you do that. And then another thing you can do to get the nasty colors on the bottom of your bathtub is you can have like this. You just throw some on there, and then you grab your rag, and then you add some water, and you go over it like this. You let it sit there for about a good 5 minutes, come back to it, rinse it off, and it should come off. And then you'll have a cleaner bottom of the bathtub. And then to get all the spots you missed, I use this guy. It cleans these surfaces really, really well so that they're shiny and bright. And so yeah, those are my tips. Feel free to leave comments in the comment section. Ask any questions, give any feedback. Okay, and that is it. That is the video for today. Thanks. Have a great day.